Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 6-06, the valve bar for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-06, the valve bar for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Go File, New, Part MMGS. Okay, let's go to the front part, Sketch, Rectangle. Let's go out there. Top part's going to be 19 plus 19, 38. Side dimension will be 12. And we're going to have a hole. The hole dead center, that's going to be 8 mil. 8 mil locked in. Now we're going to extrude out by 12. But I'm going to do mid plane. Okay, there we go. Square, yep. So now we want to go. Nope, not that one, sorry. Plane, that one. 10 mil, perfect. And this side. Do we have plane there? Can we, if we do that, do we have the option on there? That looks like it. Okay. No big deal, I just wondered. There, 10 mil and done. Now we want to hole wizard thread, thank you. The circle, first plane, second plane, and done. Oops, sorry. Extrude, done. I don't know why it doesn't do that automatically. Let me cover you up. Now, we're going to do it a little bit different this time. When I've cut this off, I've gone this way or that way. So if we go to normal, sketch. So if I do a, nope, let me do a corner rectangle from there to there, from there, to there. Now if I go feature through cut, that's through the whole lot and done. There we go. That piece is done. Nice and simple. Turn a little bit there. There we go. Nope. Nope. There we go. It says part 6-06, the valve bar for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.